sneaking around by the caves. What is this spider? Got 50 L! Don't miss!
Let me tell you about the machine. It does not stop. It does not slow. And it does not abide men, or elves, or spiders! God win against all of us! Oh, yes! You can beat all of us! Attack from all sides! That worked bad! Looks like I messed you up! Attack from all sides! I've done you! Did I do that?
Many elves have been sent to Mordor, and each has met their end here. They come clad in formidable armor, wielding mighty weapons. And when they find an orc, they kill without mercy. Until they find me.
This is a very fine meat.
In some respects. In others he was flawed. You know this better than most.
The elf assassin. Everyone's talking about you. Except the ones who are dead, of course. And that number's growing.
And what makes you think you won't soon join it?
I'm worth more to you alive. See, I provide solutions. In this case, potential recruits.
What was that? I'm spotting a holy elf! You won't give me a thing! All at once! A good blow! Didn't the elves Numenor and fight against the Dark Lord? So why did we have gloves like the hammer and the towering charge?
But they were black Numenorians. They were on our side.
Steel! Got to light the beacon! I came here for adventure! To test myself against the elements! I'd have gone to Mirkwood if I wanted to dance with some feeble elf! One of you best waiting! Finally, someone to fight! You're a pieces! Somewhere to fight! He's dead! I broke that up! And I brought good head! your entrails! Your wrist will hurt! It's a net! Stand back! Fell back! Got it! Stop shouting!
Saragast is beautiful in its way. Endless fields of stark white ice and snow. What a lovely place for you to be buried.
duo. 2 followers for the price of 1.
I'm told they're rather excitable.
Did I just hear something? Look, it's the she-elf! What was that? Watch out! Something over here. Smart enough to know you're a glob.
Some orcs have simple pleasures. These 2 have a love for all that is loud and explosive. Use this knowledge to draw them out, then secure their loyalty.
I'm gonna cut it up good! That must have hurt! Chop you to pieces! Looking to die? Stop searching! There! She's back! Brilliant! You can't get away!
Tinder, did you hear that? It was Booze! Glorious Booze! Who did this? Come on! Let's make things go boom together!
I am Eltariel, the Blade of...
You make awesome Booze! We have to work together. In fact, we could use your skills for a project we've been working on. If you help us, we'll owe you one. There will be Booze!
How could I say no to such an enthusiastic invitation?
Good. Yes, good. Me and my blood brother here have a problem with something that lives in the caves nearby. And it always ruins our fun. Whenever we try to reach new levels of boom, it shows up and puts out all the fires. We want to break it and make it our own. In fact, we'll make a game of it. Whoever makes the most booms in the process wins. Here we are. Remember, don't kill the beast. We just want to break it. We start on boom.
Boom?
3, 2, 1, boom. Boom.
No need for ropes. I can take care of this.
That was amazing! My ears are still ringing, and I've been nearly deaf for years! As for this beast, you'll be singing it again real soon. Oh, the sweet booms it'll make! You're one of us now. Anytime you need something to go boom, just ask. And we won't take no for an answer.
I'm honored.
No, no, no. We're honored.
Such base orcs, but allies of...
I just hope my ears stop ringing soon.
Mongo's time is coming to an end. Wait. Look. Look. It's the she-elf. Kill.
One word. Barrels.
You're correct. That is one word.
They're all over the place. Normally, you poison a barrel. It's good for a couple dead orcs. But use this poison, and you'll render the entire fortress uninhabitable. Lousy globs don't even need to drink it. Then again, there's one glob in there who owes me a favor. I've got to get him out, or I'll catch up with you later.
Now we shall see how effective his solutions are.
and perhaps why he is providing them.
Another abomination cleansed from Mordor.
What was that? Look, it's the she-elf! Die, pigskin!
Word of advice. You might want to back away from the poisonous green fog. Once you get the rest of the barrels poisoned, all the orcs in here will have to flee. Or die.
Sounds like you have everything planned out.
Except for that glob I need to rescue. He's too well guarded. Could use a hand getting him out of here, if you're inclined. you might want. Now might be a good time to rescue you, if you're so inclined.
Set me free before they cut me apart! Get me out of here!
I think I owe you a favor.
2 now. That should do it for this area. That will be flint and tinder. They're here to help.
Now, this is what I call helping!
That filthy elf! There will be blood for this!
Bless! You come for a beating, pink skin?
Feel his presence.
That's all the barrels in the outer wall. Time to head further into the fortress.
What the bloody stroke is going on out here? Why is there poison everywhere? You, she-elf? Oh, I hope you had fun, because now I'm gonna tear you apart!
Enough of you!
get to a safe distance and signal me when you're clear. I've placed archers who will blow up the barrels. No one's ever set foot in this fortress again.
Another fortress taken from the Flaming Eye, and done so without an army.
But the Gravewalker does have an army, and you will have to face him.